I love being a mom. But let me tell you how ghetto motherhood is. It's the hoodest of the hood. So I'm potty training my 2-year-old. And, you know, she decided that she wanted to make me something to eat. And I know you're like, oh, that's so cute. Because, you know, she got the little plates in her room. And it wasn't. You know why? Because instead of sitting on the pot, she decided she wanted to get off. And she boo-booed and she politely placed all her poop in a nice little triangle, a nice little pile on the plate to serve it to me. So yeah, if you ever seen the Help, she misminted me. But yeah, love being a mom. Yeah, I tell myself that every day. She served me dookie.